Okay, so let's look at A. A, about. I am about to start teaching. It is about right, yeah, more or less, yeah. Or about to, like, we're going to be soon do something. I'm about to start recording. I'm about to finish for the day. I'm about to leave when I do this. Or, it is about right, yeah, 2.5, it's about right, yeah. Or today, 10 o'clock, that's about right, yeah, more or less, yeah. Above. Above. The ceiling is above me. The ceiling is above. The sky is above me. Look above. Look above the books, you'll find the chest. Here is the bookcase, and above the bookcase is a shelf, and above that is a painting, and above that is the ceiling. Makes sense? Yeah. And after. So something came first, and someone came after. The lesson objective video came first, and then afterwards this video came along. After. That was first, and then this came after. 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 Okay. Again. This is a nice one. Again. And 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 again. I will teach again tomorrow. And then again tomorrow after that. And again on Saturday. And again on Sunday. And again on Monday. Every day I have another video to record again. I have more courses to record again and again and again. Every single day. Makes sense. Among. Like, we have a group of people. Or anything, group of people. Dogs, books, cars, cities, countries. And among. So we have this big collection here. And among is, oh, that one. Among the party. I am amongst the people. This one here, this city is among the country. It's within the country. That person there is among the party. Yeah. I am among my office things, my books and stationery and beyond. Within the area of. And at, a location. I am at home. You are at home. The books are at home with me. The whiteboard is at the office over there. My friend is at work. My other friend is at home. Makes sense. At where something is that's far away. At. I think the book is at. I think he is at the party tonight. I think he's at the party. I think she will be at the meeting at 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock. Makes sense. Afraid of. Afraid of. Afraid. He is afraid of. Well, he's afraid of all sorts. She's afraid of spiders. He is afraid of stress. Afraid. What are you afraid of? I am not really afraid of many things. Afraid of a few things. A few. Not many. Ashamed of. Ashamed. Ashamed of something. You've done something that you regret, that you didn't mean to do. Oh. Ashamed of. She is ashamed of her exam results. He is ashamed of his exercise routine. He is ashamed of his maths results. They are ashamed of their house. Makes sense. Advantage in. Advantage. I have an advantage in something. I have an advantage in teaching English, but I don't really have an advantage in teaching history, for example. But I have an advantage in learning languages. Yeah. Like I have an edge. I am better at something. Better at something. Better at something. I have an advantage in writing on the board because I've done it so many times. I have an advantage in talking to the camera because I've done it so many times. Aim at. Aim at. Aim at something. I aim at making 100 videos, 100 courses to teach English. I aim at being there on time. I aim at being at the party in 2 hours. I aim at the wall. We're aiming at making it look perpendicular to the wall, the right angle. I was aiming at drawing a nice picture. That's what I was aiming for. That's what I was working towards. Working towards. That's what I wanted to achieve. Amazement at. He gasped with amazement at the results. She paused with amazement at what she saw. They stopped with amazement at the environment. Amazement. Wow. We paused with amazement at the jungle. Makes sense, like, whoa. Amazement. Amazed. Wow. We were amazed. We gasped. We gasped with amazement at that. Makes sense. And anger at. Anger. We were angry at the results. They made me angry at the party. She angered me. She angered me at the meeting. Makes sense. Anger. Anger. I was angered at the results. I was angered at the results. I was angered at the end of the day. Makes sense. And apologise for. Like apologising. Sorry. So sorry. Could you forgive me? That kind of stuff. You need to apologise for her. You need to apologise for the mistake. I need to apologise for what I did. They won't apologise for their mistakes. She is trying to apologise for the error she made. Makes sense? And accuse someone of. Are you accusing her of cheating? Is he accusing you of lying? Are they accusing him of stealing? He accused me of doing this. It's an accusation of. That is an accusation of lying. That is a serious accusation of stealing. That is a serious accusation. Accuse. 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 Accusation. Yeah. How cool is that? So, about, above, after, again, 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 among, at, afraid of, ashamed of. Advantage in, aim at, amazement at, anger at, apologise for, accuse someone of. So how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep going.